Hey guys, Brick Queen here. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to make a Lego wheelchair. This is the wheelchair that I used in my last brick film, and I had at least 10 or 15 different people ask me how I did it, so I'm going to show you real quick. Right here you can see the pieces that I used, and I'll pick the camera up so you can see a better angle on these pieces. So the first thing you want to get is bike wheels. You can get these off of any of the newer bikes. Just basic wheels. And the next thing you'll need is these little black pieces right here. And this is how I attach the wheels to the rest of the wheelchair. Because you can just attach the wheels like that. And do the same thing with the other side. And the next thing you're going to want to get are these two blocks, just 1x1 blocks with a little hole on the front. Now when you go to choose a color for these, make sure it's the same color as whatever legs you're going to use. So since I'm using gray legs, I have gray blocks. And you're going to put these on top of here, attach just one to each side. There's one there, and then attach the same one to this side like that. Now to attach the two sides together, you're going to use these two black pieces. I have one with the solid bar here, and then this one has the two notches in the middle. Now when you attach them, make sure that you put this one right here on the back. And you're going to attach this one to the front, like this. It will mess up your design if you put them the other way around, so make sure you have this one on the bottom. And then you're going to attach them like this. And the next thing you're going to want to get are two of these pieces. Make sure you get the ones that open up instead of the ones that open side to side. And you're going to take the first one and attach it right here. And the second one you're going to actually turn upside down and attach to the other bar on the bottom. And that's to stabilize your wheelchair, so it'll stand up like that. And then you get a couple of these, and you can attach them right here to have handlebars on the back of your wheelchair. And you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but a lot of wheelchairs have your handlebars on the back in case somebody else needs to push the wheelchair. Then you take just a white smooth piece like this. It's just a 1x2, and attach it right here, and that gives them a pillow or backrest. Just attach it just like that. And the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and actually put the torso on there. So this is actually the mummy torso from the minifig series, and then Batman's face. And I'm going to go ahead and give him his mask. And you're going to attach him to the top of these two gray blocks. Just like that. And then for the legs, you're going to want to take it off of the waist piece, the frame piece there, and just have the leg pieces like this. And then you're going to take these other two pieces like this, and you're going to put them one inside of each leg, like that. and then you attach your leg pieces to the front of those gray blocks. This is not a very sturdy design, but you might be able to build off of it and do something better if you like. Just attach them like that, and then you take this tiny set of wheels, which isn't too hard to find, and just kind of line it up right. And I just pop my wheel off. But there you go. And that is your Lego wheelchair. Like I said, not very sturdy design when it comes to attaching the legs. So it's not very good for playability, but it does look good. So like in the brick film, I just kind of had it sitting there, but it is easy to fix it back. Just like that. But I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys.